In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personalize your contact poster on Instagram. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to settings and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and we're going to select apps. Once you do, I'm going to search for the phone app on settings and I'm going to open it up. And here you're going to see the option of sharing name and photo. This means that people will receive this poster that we're creating whenever you call them or text them. So here it's going to give you some suggested pictures that you can use, or you can also use your emoji, which is like your little emoji. If you want a monogram, you can also do that, or you can even just choose an emoji that you like. Now here it's going to show you how your poster is going to look. You can customize it right here even, and I can make this different, this background different, maybe open up the font so my name appears better. I'm gonna tap on done, and once you create a poster that you like, simply go ahead and select this little checkbox that you see right here. If you want your name and photo sharing, you have to turn this option off, and now you can put your first and your last name and it will automatically be shared with your contacts only, or you can always ask, and that would mean that before sharing it with someone, your phone will ask you if it's okay. Once you're done, tap on the check mark, choose your avatar. I'm going to choose the picture that we created, and that's it. That's how you create a contact poster. Don't forget to like the video if this helped.